Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 3 of Cups, and Judgment in reverse. So, Gemini, in your situation, guys, in your work or in your relationship, you feel that you cannot trust someone. Maybe the way they are, the way they speak, or their behavior. You feel that this person is not reliable and trustworthy. So, some kind of doubts or confusions you may have in your mind, guys, about this person. Maybe they are suffering from some illness or they have their own weakness. Something is obstructing them to relate to you, guys. So, they have some weakness, maybe. It may be their illness or some addictions or something or someone is holding them back from this love, from relating to you guys, from telling you the truth. So you feel that they do not like you or they are not close enough to you. So you are trying hard to have that deep commitment or a deep relationship with this person. But the way things are, this person is not coming openly. They are not communicating openly. So they are not trying to relate to you because of their problems, guys. And it is not something you are doing. So they have their own problems to resolve before coming into this commitment with you. So that may be the reason that they are not in a deep commitment with you. They love you, they find you really attractive, but something is holding them back, or it may be someone. So, someone is guiding them, otherwise, maybe they are giving them guidance to clear their problems first before committing deeply with you guys. So, that is the reason they are waiting or holding back. That is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may learn the truth about this person you love. So they have some problems or the reason for them holding back from you, and you are happy for it. Maybe for some of you, you are taking suggestions from your friends or family and regarding your situation, and you are happy that at least you know this much about this person you love, guys. So some kind of clarity you are getting today, guys, Gemini. And for some of you, you are celebrating something, maybe a new venture in your work or some new beginning in this relationship. Maybe if you are working towards deeper commitment, maybe you are proposing to them, maybe they are accepting it, guys, Gemini. So some new beginning is what I see in your life, guys, today, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince, intimacy, So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something, so that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys. And you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards. And today, that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional. And sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately, and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.